Good morning guys, nandito na naman po tayo sa ating toolbox session. So ito na po yung pang-10th topic, use of telehandlers. Only those authorized and with their license can operate the forklift. If you found any visible damage or any damage to the forklift or telehandler, please report to your correct appropriate department. Okay, never use the telehandler if you are not authorized to use it. Never give lift to the coworkers. Baka po siya ay malaglag in case na ginamit niyo po siya bilang isang pag-ship ng isang tao sa isang lugar papunta sa kabilang lugar. When exiting the cab, for sure that the ignition key is always removed. Okay guys, baka may mga marites, alam nyo na, mga pakialamero, kaya po kailangan natin siyang tanggalin. And when traveling with a local load, make sure that is in the lowest position para po makaiwas tayo sa pag-tumbling ng isang equipment. Okay guys? Never use the telehandler forks as a makeshift working platform. Yan po, wag po natin din gagawin yung pagsakay ng tao papunta sa fork ng forklift. Baka po siya malaglag, ma-out of balance, yun po, maipit nyo po yung paa niya o yung katawan niya. Okay guys, never work in a area during using of your telehandler. Make sure you use your horn to advise people, okay, to notify people. Never exceed the safe working load of the telehandler. Never use your mobile phone while working on the telehandler or forklift. Out of focus po kayo, baka po kayo makadisgrasya. When driving on site, always respect the 20km speed limit or lower. Okay guys, keep all windows clear. Do not block the windows with curtain or paper. Though alam po natin na minsan yung araw ay nakakasinag sa mata, wag po natin lalagyan ng mga temporary closure yung mga windows para po makita natin yung ating work area. Okay guys, so if you like my videos, please like, comment, and share. And thank you very much for all your patronization of my videos. Appreciate all those who are sharing this one. And we'll see next videos, another Toolbox Talks meeting. Thank you very much guys and good morning.